What is the Ouroboros? The Ouroboros is an ancient symbol that has been depicted in various cultures throughout history. It typically represents a serpent or dragon that is swallowing its own tail, forming a circular shape. The concept of the Ouroboros is rooted in the idea of eternal cyclicality and the unity of opposites. The symbol's significance lies in its representation of endless cycles of creation and destruction, life and death, and rebirth. It implies the eternal nature of existence and the interconnectedness of all things. As the serpent consumes its own tail, it symbolizes the continuous process of renewal and the never-ending cycle of time. The Ouroboros also carries profound philosophical and psychological implications. In philosophy, it symbolizes the concept of self-reflection and self-sufficiency. It suggests that the universe is self-containing and sustains itself. In psychology, it represents the process of individuation, where one dives deep into their psyche, confronts their inner conflicts and contradictions, and achieves a sense of wholeness and self-realization. Moreover, the Ouroboros is associated with concepts like infinity, completion, and the integration of opposites. It embodies the idea that everything contains its own opposite and that they are inseparable. It signifies the union of light and darkness, good and evil, creation and destruction. In conclusion, the Ouroboros is a symbol that encapsulates the cyclical nature of existence, the infinite interconnectedness of all things, and the process of self-discovery and integration. It holds ancient wisdom and continues to fascinate and inspire people across cultures.